QuarterMasters racing team car show at Aquasco, Maryland. Doesn't look like a very big show. Some people are still rolling in. We'll take a look at some stuff. John, this side water garage. Let's take a look around, see some cars and trucks and whatever else they got. Let's start here. Look at this Jaguar. Neat. V8. 71 Blue Chevelle. Got the small block and air conditioning. 307. Nice car. Fairlane 390 convertible. 66 or 7. That's really neat. Take a look at some of this other stuff around here. It's a hot day. I don't know how long we're going to be able to be out here before we wilt. 57 Chevy 2-door post. That's a really nice car. Nicely done, small block, air, double master cylinder. That's 64 to Sabre. 300 cubic inch V8. Nice car. Look at this thing. It's got 2 motors in it. One there and one there. That's one of the neatest, craziest things I've ever seen. This one before, I believe. Nicely done there. There's room for a whole lot of cars here. There's that Plymouth Cambridge. Get everywhere. Nice car. Green 63-ish Thunderbird. It's a nice car. Newer Mach 1s. I like that. Pretty neat. Look at that. Beautiful purple on that. Beautiful ornament. Pontiac. 1934 Pontiac. Small block Chevy in it now. Neat. Got the Malibu with the flames on it. We've seen him at a bunch of different shows. Oh, it's a warm one out. '60 Corvette. Factory finned aluminum valve covers on it. Nice Sierra pickup truck. 71 or 2 Chevelle. Beautiful paint on that. Nicely done. 65 Chevelle. Nice looking car. 70-71 Torino. And another one. This one's got the 429 Cobra jet in it. Beautiful car. I like the laser stripe on the side. That was factory. Here's one of the reissue Thunderbirds. Came out around 2002, I think. Nice looking car here. Got the pinstripes. 67 Chevy. 68 to 72 Nova. Pretty nice. How you doing? 86 Cutlass. Pretty good, pretty good. Trying to stay cool. Yeah, saw him at Pop's Car Show. Look at that thing. Nice. I like the way the side pipes are done in there. So many custom touches on this thing. Bananas. 1950 Chevy Bel Air. Here's one of the Fox Body Mustangs. Looks like he's ready to go. Oh yeah. Got a cage and all kinds of neat stuff in there. S10 truck, he's ready to go too. A big block Chevy in it. Another Jaguar 4-door sedan. Liter. I think that's their Straight 6, I'm not sure. Nice Corvette there. Very nice. The newer Mustangs. Cowl hood on it. We'll finish up here with this Trans Am. Pretty neat. Gonna go racing? Well, you could buy this and go racing this weekend. I assume that's 8th mile time. Big block Chevy in it. It's a pretty neat car. I don't know. Got a parachute on the back. Get a cage detail in there. It's pretty neat. Sure exactly what that is. Okay, it's a Dodge Colt. Dodge imported these. They were Japanese car they sold through their dealerships. This one's got a big block Chevy, so obviously it's a lot different than before. Got a VW camper converted by Westphalia. Pretty neat. Go around and look at the other side, but I love the upholstery pattern. That's neat. Westphalia. So the roof pops up. Plus you got a shield on the side there. And everything you need for camping in there. think that all folds out to a bed. And pretty neat. And all the stickers on all the windows. Cooler back there, stereo. 1977. Datsun Z car. Or Nissan Datsun. Forget what year they started calling them Nissans in the United States. What model is this?
87.
And is it a 300ZX?
Yeah.
Really nice car. Yeah, 300ZX. These are really neat. When was the last time you saw one of these on the road? This one's clean. I like it. What a great looking car. All right, there's some motorcycles and trikes over here. Take a look at these. First one has a trailer. There's another trike there. And there's one there as well. And then one traditional motorcycle here. It's pretty neat. Oh look, we missed these things under the tent. They look like these pulling tractors that we've seen before. Let's go take a look. So these are Southern Maryland Mini Modifieds. They're tractor pullers. That's pretty neat. Look at that, you got a small block Chevy in there. You got another one here. Pretty neat stuff. Looks pretty scary, huh? There you go, folks. There you go, fun on 3 wheels. It's got slingshot. Well, that'll do it for the QuarterMasters show. Not much of a turnout, but a lot of nice cars here. Oh, John, this has been Out of Water Garage. Thanks for watching, folks. We're gonna go get some lunch and get in the shade there. Thanks for watching.